Hi, first graders. Happy Tuesday. Yesterday we started talking about our three-letter blends. Remember, blends are letters that are oftentimes found together, but they do make two or three separate sounds. So here we have STR. Together, that blend says stir. So this word is stir. What's the word? Here's STR again. Stir. Word is street. Now we have SCR, so we have stretch it out, skr. Word is scrub. SPR, we have spur. AY says A, word is spray. This one's a trigraph, so we have our digraph TH and then an R, so we have thur. Word is through. We have SPL, spool. Word is split. Trigraph again. Thur. This has a super E at the end that makes the O say its name, so we have O. Word is thrown. STR one more time. Stir. Word is straw. SCR. Word is scrap. Okay, let's sound out some words with three-letter blends. Ready? Spur. A, word is on your own. Skr. Word is scream. Next word. Word is split. Next word. Word is, so we have our blend, stir. Super E makes the O say its name. O. Word is stroke. Next word. Word is three. Next word. SH says sh plus sure. INK says ink. Word is shrink. Okay, think. Say, word is scratch. Next word, think. Say, word is straw. Next word, think. Say, word is throat. Next word, think. Say, word is stretch. Next word, think. Say, word is splash. Next word, think. Say, word is throw. Next word, think. Say, word is strand. Next word, think. Say, word is stream. Last word, think. Say, word is spring. Okay, we're going to do some building words. So we have what's the word? Scratch. Change TCH to WL. Think. Say, word is scrawl. What's the word? Change WL to P. Think. Say, word is scrap. What's the word? Change our blend SCR to STR. Think. Say, word is strap. What's the word? Change P to ND. Think. Say, word is strand. Here's a tricky one. Change A to EA and change ND to K. Think. Say, word is streak. What's the word? Change K to M. Think. Say, word is stream. What's the word? Change M to T. Think. Say word is stream. Oh, sorry, street. What's the word? Okay, another tricky one. Change EE to I and change T to NG. Think. Say word is string. What's the word? Change blend STR to SPR. Think. Say word is spring. Change NG to NT. Think. Say word is sprint. Change our blend SPR to SPL. Think. Say word is splint. Change NT to T. Think. Say word is split. Okay, moving on to our bling words. This week we have number words as bling words. First word is 6. Spell it. She has 6 brothers in her family. What's the word? Next word is 1. What's the word? Spell it. The one thing you should always do is be kind. What's the word? 1. Next word is 5. What's the word? Spell it. There are 5 days in a work week. The word is 5. What's the word? Next word is 4. What's the word? Spell it. Cars have 4 wheels. The word is 4. What's the word? And last word is 3. What's the word? We have our trigraph, THR, which says thir, so THREE. Did you know that he has 3 dogs? The word is 3. What's the word? Okay, the story we're reading today is called Mrs. Sprague's Spring Flowers. What's it called? Mrs. Sprague's Spring Flowers. Okay, so we have the word sprig, which is a name, and that has a triple blend in it. We also have this word right here, shrubs, and shrubs are like plants, like that. Looks like that is it for our tri blends. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. When can I help? Chip asked. It is time, Chip, Mrs. Sprigg spoke up. Move that dirt pile by those far shrubs into this field. Thad wished he could help, but he was just too little. Okay, next one. Once again, we have sprig, SPR. We also have the word strong, which has STR, and strip, which also has STR. This word right here is scratch, and it has SCR. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. It is time to dig holes in this spot, said Mrs. Sprigg with a smile. Chip was strong. Chip dug and dug. He made a long strip of holes. Then Chip stopped to scratch his leg. Thad just sat and watched. Okay, next page we have sprig once again with our SPR. We have SPL in the word splish and in the word splash. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. Next, you must get this dirt wet, said Mrs. Sprigg. Chip grabbed a big hose. It was fun making water splish and splash until the dirt was ready. It looked like mud. Thad really wished he could help. This guy's bad, right? He's just the one sitting in the corner. So we have sprig with our SPR. We have this word which is strange with STR. Then we have SPR for spring. And again, we have SPR for spring. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. Mrs. Sprigg had packs of strange little seeds. I like lots and lots of spring flowers, she said. Thad, you are just the right size for this fun job. Shake seeds in the holes just like this, Mrs. Sprigg said. So Thad finally gets to do something. Here we have our trigraph, which is THR, thir, in the word thrilled, SPR in the word sprig, and SPR in the word spring. Ready? Read. Thad was thrilled to pitch in. Mrs. Sprigg said, "This seed will grow into a blue flower. It will need light and water. Then you will see leaves spring up. This seed will grow into a big orange and white flower." Okay, last two pages. Let's see. We have Miss Sprague again with her SPR. We have Scrub with SCR. Ready? Read. Bird stopped to sit and chat. Bird, it is nice that you came. I like your red hat, said Mrs. Sprigg. We are done planting. We will scrub up and change. Then you can have pie with us. I'm going to read this page for you. Mrs. Sprigg, Chip, Thad, and Bird sat in the sun and had pie. Chip ate a little slice and Thad ate a big slice. Mrs. Sprigg sat back and pictured a flower bed filled with lots and lots of spring flowers. Okay, when ed is added to a verb or an action word, it tells about something that has already happened. So if we have the word stretch, that is something that you do, so it's an action word or a verb. If we add ed to the end of it, it now says stretch, and that means that it's already happened. So you would say, yesterday I stretched my muscles. Now, if you add ing to the end of a verb or an action word, it tells about something that you're doing right now. So, stretch is your verb, add ing to the end, now you are stretching. I am going to stretch my muscles. I stretched my muscles yesterday, or I am stretching my muscles. Same thing here, we have the word scrape. If you already did it, you would add ed to the end of the word and say, yesterday I scraped my knee. Now, if you add ing, it means it's happening right now. You could say, I am scraping off the glue. All right. We have two words that are kind of confusing. We have one word, I, and another word, am. Both of these are pronouns. So if we have the pronoun I, it is used as the subject of a sentence. If we have the word, me is the word, not am, then we use it after a verb. So let's look at an example. I will tie a string around the box. Who will tie the string? I will. Okay. Then we have Gran spent the day with me. We have a verb right here, spent, and then the pronoun is me. Let's look at another one. My brother and blank share a bedroom. So in this instance, we would put the word me because the verb is right here. Sorry, other way around. We would put the word I here because the verb is right here. So my brother and I share a bedroom. Then here the verb is before the pronoun, so we would say me. So if the verb is after the pronoun, we use I, and if it's before the pronoun, we use me. And we'll keep practicing that. Check back tomorrow for another video.